Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Peace and blessing upon all of you. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam abolished racism from Islam 1400 years ago. There was no white skin preference over black or black skin's preference over white, nor an Arab was preferences over another foreigner, or a foreigner will have a superiority over Arab. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam says, "O people, your Lord is one, and your father Adam is one. There is no favor of an Arab over a foreigner, nor a foreigner over an Arab, and neither white skin over black skin, nor black skin over white skin, except by righteousness." Musnad Ahmed 22978.